All right, so what I did is I did a jerkbait. This is a KVD jerkbait that I did kind of from the side, the back, and the front. And so I'm not going to talk a whole lot. I'm going to let you just see the depth that it dives. They say 2 to 4 foot, and it gets around that 3 to 4 foot range on a good cast. It's kind of hard to get to the real depth inside of a pool. But notice the sound, the erratic action. But one of the things I notice more than anything is the motion on top of the water at just all the light, the refractory of the light, and how it's really playing tricks with your mind. And that right there could be, when you hear about when the water's windy, when the water has some waves on it because of wind or boat traffic, hey, you always get more bites, and you can absolutely see the visibility of the bait being cut down, but the sound is still great. So you don't hear a lot of the sound from the water, but you hear a lot of sound from the bait, but the visibility of the bait is not as good. So I'm going to let it play. Guys, tell me what you think about this from the front, the back, and the side. Really cool. So and I've got another one coming. I got still have the line test I'm gonna put in there also, and I also have a drop shot. So guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, ring the bell. Enjoy.